In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find Watch Later playlist on YouTube mobile app on both iPhone and Android devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up YouTube app. On YouTube mobile app, we can save any video to Watch Later playlist. To do that, just play a video, and then down below here we can easily find save. If I tap at save, it will save the video to Watch Later playlist. And now I'm gonna show you how we can easily find those videos. Basically, guys, all we have to do is just tap right here at the bottom right corner where it says You. That's where we can easily find all our playlists. We can drag it in that way until we find Watch Later. Here it is. And also we can tap at View All. It will show us all our playlists. That's where we can also find Watch Later. And that's how we can easily find all the videos we've saved in that playlist. If we want to remove a video from that playlist, we need to tap at three dots next to video title and then tap at Remove from Watch Later. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.